Hello everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating realm of Gambella, one of the states in Ethiopia. Gambella is home to 5 tribes, with the Nuer people being the major group and Eniwak being the minority. It's a diverse and unique place with other tribes like Majang, Como, and Opo rounding out the mix. Now, let's talk about the underdevelopment of Gambella. It's not due to a lack of resources or potential. Rather, it's because of corruption within the government. Leaders accept bribes and hire people who aren't even qualified for the jobs they're given. This causes all sorts of issues for the people living in Gambella, from unemployment to poverty and underdevelopment. Thank you for joining me on this journey to explore Gambella and its challenges. I hope you found this information interesting and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more engaging content. Until next time.